Hey everybody, it's Brooklyn Knight 718. So I've been getting a lot of requests to make a background tutorial about how to make a background for your homepage on IMVU. So I'm going to start from scratch. This tutorial is going to consist of a bunch of videos since the videos can only be 10 minutes a piece. So sorry if it goes too long, but you requested it, so here it goes. So I'm going to just go to my room and do a couple poses and take the picture, so just bear with me. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna wear that. Stand up here. Alright, so I'm gonna take a couple of poses. Let me see which ones I got. I'm gonna do this one. Alright, so I'm going to be showing what I did from the screenshot tutorial. Pretty much make the screen as big as possible. Then do your pose. Alright, do your facial expression. And then do Control BB to take the bubbles away. Then you go to File, Create, Screenshot, click Grab, and drag it on to the green part. And then this screen up here pops up. Alright, so I'm going to take do another pose. Let's see. Do the same steps. Create, screenshot, grab it, drag it. Alright, so that's done. Close that down. Now, when you do the background for Gimp, you gotta do the new document, and usually I use one of these templates down here, and I'm not exactly sure how the screen size for everyone else's computer is, but I'm going to use the biggest template that there is. I'm going to use the 1600 by 1200. Just click OK. And usually Gimp wants you to see the whole thing, so it's going to put it down here to 50%. If you want to see the whole thing, then you could put it to 100, but you would have to use these scroll bars to see the whole picture. So I usually keep it at 50 so I can see the whole thing. And now, so you get your screenshots. You take this crop tool and you drag a box around the image. The highlighted part is what's not going to be cropped. The part that's not highlighted is what's going to be cropped. So you just click the inside and it crops it. Then you're going to do Control Copy, or you can go to Edit Copy, Edit Paste, or you can do Control C, Control V. Then you right click, make it a new layer. Then you take the eye off of that one. You take this color tool, and you select the green on the outside, and you just go to Edit Clear, or you can do just click Delete. Make sure all the green is gone. Usually sometimes you have to zoom in because the green gets stuck on the earrings or the eyelashes, sometimes on the hair or whatever, but for right now we're not going to worry about that. Okay, so then you do Control X, or you can go to Edit Cut, and you go here and you do Control V or Edit Paste. Then you're gonna click on new layer. Alright. Then you're gonna go to the next screen. Click here. Do the same thing we did before. Control copy, control paste, new layer. Take the eye off. Take the green out. Control X, Control V. So there you got 2 of your screenshots. I'm only going to do 2 screenshots so the video don't take forever. Alright, so let me delete this little section down here. Alright, so I'm just going to make a background, which is what you guys really were asking me for. So, I'm just going to make this up out of my head, but here we go. So, let's see. Let's try this one. Use your gradient tool. I'm going to click down here and click spiral. Put the opacity down to 80. Alright, then I'm going to take the tool from here. You can drag it any way you want to. So there's a little background. Alright. What else can we add? Make a new layer. Let's get some brushes in there. If you don't have any brushes, I would advise you to go to deviantart.com. Let me spell it out for y'all. I will go to deviantart.com and I will type in Gimp brushes, and it will come up with a bunch of brushes. And they're free downloads. You just download it into your Gimp brush file folder, and you just click on the refresh button down here, and then they should pop up just like all these down here. Alright, so let's see what I could use. Alright, I'm going to use some of this stuff. Change the brush, make it a little bigger. Make a big ass skull right here. Alright, that's one. Let's see what else they got. Yeah, I like this. Shit. Oh, let me close the R&B before I crash. Alright, so we're going to use that. Let's make it go down back to... Alright. Should be a regular size now. Oh, it's too big. Let's take it down to about 60. Alright, that's better. Usually when I do a bunch of different brushes, I want to do different layers, so just in case I mess up, I don't have to delete everything that I just did. So I'm going to take off the skull, and I'm going to change with the opacity with this one. Move it up a little bit. And then I'm going to just expand it a little.